Hello, my name is Sean from the Global Life Settlement Exchange. We are the world's first free life settlement auction marketplace. Today I am going to talk about understanding the tax implications of selling your life insurance policy. As with any financial transaction, it's important to understand the tax implications of selling your life insurance policy through a life settlement. In general, the amount of taxes you'll owe on the proceeds from a life settlement depends on several factors, including your age, your tax bracket, and the amount of your policy. If you're considering selling your life insurance policy through a life settlement, it's important to understand how the proceeds from the sale will be taxed. Here are some key points to keep in mind. Life settlement proceeds are generally taxable. In most cases, the proceeds you receive from selling your life insurance policy through a life settlement will be subject to income tax. However, there are some exceptions to this rule. Exceptions to the rule. If you pay premiums on your policy in excess of its cash value, the excess premiums may be considered a return of capital and may be tax-free. Additionally, if you sell your policy to a charity, the proceeds may be tax-free. Tax bracket matters. The amount of taxes you'll owe on the proceeds from a life settlement will depend on your tax bracket. If you're in a higher tax bracket, you'll likely owe more in taxes than if you're in a lower tax bracket. Age matters. If you're over age 65, you may be eligible for a higher standard deduction, which could reduce the amount of taxes you owe on the proceeds from a life settlement. Consult a tax professional. Because the tax implications of selling your life insurance policy can be complex, it's important to consult with a tax professional before making any decisions. Global Life Settlement Exchange, your trusted partner. Consider listing your policy on our free no-obligation auction marketplace so that buyers can compete for the best deal available depending on your particular circumstances. Global Life Settlement Exchange, GLSE, is a marketplace that specializes in life settlements. We have a thorough awareness of the market and assist policyholders in selling their insurance policies for the highest price possible through a transparent auction. The first free life settlement auction marketplace in the world, Global Life Settlement Exchange charges no fees to sellers. The process is simple, and there is zero fee and obligation to the seller. You just need to provide your policy details to us, and that's all you need to do. You will receive the highest offer from the market in a few weeks or so. Unlike traditional brokers, GLSE does not charge a fee for its services. This means sellers keep more of the money from the sale of their policy, which can be a significant sum. Even if you have already hired a broker, a seller like you can still acquire a second opinion. GLSE gives the seller complete control, allowing them to select the best offer without being constrained by middlemen, brokers, obligations, or fees. The traditional process of selling a life insurance policy involves working with brokers who have access to buyers. These buyers determine the value of the policy, leaving sellers with little control. However, with GLSEs, sellers have complete control over the process. They can choose to accept or reject offers as they see fit, without any obligation or fee. This puts the power in the hands of the seller. Life settlement was predominantly a buyer market, where buyers determine the value of the policy. However, GLSE is shifting the balance of power to the seller. By providing an open and competitive marketplace, GLSE puts the seller in control of the process. The seller can choose to accept or reject offers as they see fit, ensuring that they receive the best possible value for their policy. In conclusion, Global Life Settlement Exchange is revolutionizing the life settlement market by increasing transparency and putting the power in the hands of the seller. With GLSEs, sellers can receive the highest possible offer for their policy, keep more of their money, and make an informed decision about whether to sell. Our zero-fee platform provides a no-obligation opportunity for sellers to explore their options, and the elimination of middlemen ensures that sellers receive the full value of their policy. GLSE is transforming the life settlement market, providing a fair and competitive platform for sellers to receive the value they deserve.
Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please hit the like and subscribe button to support us.